1971 Porsche 914 1.8 liter replacement motor. These originally came with a 1.7. Very nice original car as far as specs on the thing, I should say. Bumpers, blah blah blah, interior. It has been repainted. It used to be blue. Now as you see, it is red. No rust whatsoever anywhere, not even in the battery box where they usually rust out. It shows very well, drives very well. It's got dual Webers on it instead of the fuel injection. Body's nice and straight. They say it runs amazingly well. One flaw in the car as far as cosmetics go, which is the dash has got a small crack in it, which I will point out when we do the interior. It is an appearance group, hence the chrome bumpers and so on. Aftermarket wheels, of course. Starts right up, no issues, no major oil leaks. Door cards are in excellent shape. Houndstooth interior. The original carpeting underneath is in decent shape. Don't know if you can see much of the interior of the motor part. Trunk floor and stuff is in really good shape, no rust whatsoever anywhere. Target top is in good shape. Small scratch in it on the other side, which I'll show you in a sec. Here's the crack I was telling you about in the dash. Right there. Let's fire this little gem up. Idle's nice and steady. '71 914.